Puro troqueando, cut. Shits are clean.
You don't want the smoke. You don't want the smoke.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing today, this evening, this morning, whenever you guys are watching this? Hey man, as you can see, I got my hands full. See the Scat, man, with the sunset behind it? Wow. Nice, very nice. You know there's only one way to get this thing started, man. Before anything, if I could get my damn keys. God damn. Put this down real quick, man. Hey, don't mind the dirt, man. Holy shit. God damn, man. Hey, I know, big disrespectful, but hey, it literally just rained last night. So, don't judge me. I don't wanna. So, the activities for tonight, we're going about an hour away. We're going to a meet. You guys already know how it goes. If you like the content, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it greatly. We're gonna get right to it, man. We're gonna head over there. Should be a fun little trip. We'll see what we get into on the way to where we're headed in Mexico, and we'll see what happens when we get there. It's gonna be an action-packed video, I'm sure, as you guys already seen in the intro. I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Look at that. Look at that sunset. Alright, man, I had to stop at the gas station, get me one of these, man, you know. Might need me some caffeine tonight, just in case, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh, the Scatty. See what happens with that. Oh, look at Angel put the hazards on him. Hella windy out here. Check out the ZL1. I don't know what that is. A little Terminator on the side. See the Scatty. See Gabe. Oh shit. Damn. Puro troqueando, cut. Damn, huh?
Are you LouieXIII?
Yeah, what up, man?
I'm a subscriber.
Oh, appreciate you, bro. Alright, Brody, good meeting you, man.
Good meeting you,
Alright, have a good one. Alright, Devin, have a good one. This shit's hard right here, bro. Shitting all over your shit right here, bro.
It's cute. I mean, it looks nice as fuck, but it's probably slow no cap. Unless he pops it and there's some like badass pro charger in there.
This is pretty dope. Ooh, the Cobra Terminator body. This shit hard. If I got a Mustang, bro, it would be this right here. That's fire. I think I fixed the settings in my camera too. Before I know it was being like, I think it was missing frames and stuff. I think I got it fixed. It looks pretty legit from my end. So we about to see. See the Mustang. For the caddies.
Oh shit.
Looks like a newer one, huh? Big old army truck. Sheesh.
That's not a Chevelle.
RX-7. Check out the tire setup. I know there ain't much light out here and shit. Dang, all gutted out. With the mix. Okay.
He said, fuck that when I parked. Something wrong with you.
See how you pulled up to the car with me with the doors up like that? Damn. It's done on everybody.
That's when I went to the shootout? Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Get a teggy, bro.
I got it.
Shit's clean. Carbon fiber lid. With the roll cage. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's hard. Young JDM. Oh, you see the steering wheel on the boot?
The fucking Japanese car.
This shit's hard though.
All the S chassis boys? Yeah, this shit's clean. Little drift missile over there.
Put the steering wheel on the dash.
That's a Lightning, first gen.
That shit's hard. First gen Lightning right there. That shit's clean too. The 180 SX. This is like the one they give you in Need for Speed.
Do a lot.
What's up, buddy? Gave song last night?
Do a lot. Big gonna fuck you up.
No quema cut.
Oh, that white?
It's clean. Oh, that white's clean with the little blue accents.
I want to get one today.
One of these.
With the coupe.
Shits are clean.
I just want to get a shell though. I'm bring the Shelby right here.
And LS swap it.
Yeah, like a little 5.3 junkyard.
Robert said he wanted to race on the way back, so this is Scat Pack versus Scat Pack. Sheesh. Okay, we probably run that too on the way back. Pulled up to get that young Nitro. Oh, perfect. Get a little thumbnail. See all the whips, bro? That blue stands out hella. I like that. Got the SS. We got everything, man. We got the Meros, we got the Scat Packs, we got the Shelbys, we got the Juans. Young Juan.
The driver mod?
The driver mod. We even got a Q up in here, bro. Alright, let me put gas. Stop fucking around, put gas. Got the 325s in the back. This color is fucking badass, bro. I should have got this color. Low-key, I fucked up though, huh? I should have got this color.
Nah. Hell no.
I mean, I like this color, don't get me wrong, I'm a gray guy.
Hell no.
But how, imagine some carbon fiber on this shit. Was it because the window was down or what?
No idea, but he was pulling.
How the fuck, what type of top end type shit? That boy got nitrous? Did he drop a gear? Oh. got him on that one. Yeah, I don't know why he fucking pulled so much on that other one.
Yeah.
Maybe it was the window, dude.
Probably was, but he
That's
pulled
crazy.
real tough on that.
No way the window makes that much of a difference, bro. It might.
Probably.
That's crazy though.
What you gonna say now?
You don't want the smoke. 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 You don't want the, you don't smoke though. You don't smoke though. Man. Okay, say it. All right. One. And then we say bye-bye.
Here comes the tunnel.
One, two, three.
I think it's because of the extra weight, bro.
Yeah.
This car fucking does horrible with extra weight. Right there where it lags, dude. Right there where it lags, dude.
Yeah.
Why'd he slow down? It's right at 4th gear, bro. It lags all kinds. You feel it? When
Yeah.
it slows down a lot?
Yeah, like it's pulling, then it just it
Yeah,
drops.
yeah, hella.
What'd you say? What? What?
Huh?
What is your name? Who is Angel 12? What? Hi.
He said, who is Angel 12? Dude, that first run, that top end was fucking pulling crazy on that first. Huh?
Did you let off?
No. I don't know what it is. Around 4th gear, sometimes my shit does that.
Yeah.
Like it just fucking gets like sluggish. I thought you hit the nitrous or some shit, bro.
Imagine just,
Yeah, you came out of nowhere. I was like, God damn.
yeah, I mean, honestly, I thought you let off.
Nah, I didn't, dude. It just slowed down hella after that. 19, huh?
19.
It's stock, fully stock.
Fully stopped.
Yeah, we gotta do it again. Hey, so we got a little action in there on the way home now. Wrap up the night, man. It's cold as hell. I can't wait till summertime. I ain't gonna lie. I don't mind the cold, but like it's been super cold, bro. For Cali, it's been hella cold. But we're gonna wrap it up, call it a night. Got a couple good runs in there. I don't know why after 4th, like, it just got super sluggish, bro. You seen the Challenger caught me like a lot, bro, and I didn't let off. Like, I don't know if it's the extra weight. I know a lot of times that, you know, that's happened to me. I've had a passenger in the car, and honestly, like, you would be surprised how much just a little bit of extra weight affects this car here, bro. But I got him on the other one, so I don't know what happened. I don't think it lagged. Sometimes it lags after 4th, sometimes it doesn't. It's weird, I don't know. But I think I need to mess with the shifting points, because I messed with them one time, and I'm gonna mess with them again and see how it goes. But we got to run in with the Shelby, the Challenger, the Marrow, which me and him have some good runs. You see, he got me on, I might have got him on one, he got me on, I don't remember. I have to go back and look, but yeah, I don't know who else we got to run with. A couple other people got some runs. Overall, it was a cool night. You know what I'm saying? Damn, they trying to catch me slipping right now. But we're gonna call it at that. Appreciate you guys for hanging in there. If you guys are still with me, man, if you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe. Dang, I just seen a shooting star, bro. That shit was hard. I haven't seen one of those in quite a while. That's good luck right there, man. Big things coming for the channel. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you, especially if you guys are still rocking with the video at this point in the video. If you stuck with it this long, I appreciate you guys, man. Man, I always say it, but you know, if you guys could see the vision that I got for this channel, shit's gonna be wild, guys. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Until then, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.